welcome or welcome back. So today I am going to let Notion AI control my day as a content creator. So the first thing that it told me is to wake up at 7 a.m. and do some stretching or yoga, and I went to the rooftop to do the stretching. Doing that first thing in the morning was really refreshing, and the weather was so good. I did ask the AI what to have for breakfast. It told me to have the usuals along with some fruits and a drink to go with. So that's what I've done. I made cheese toast and did cut up some fruits. Also had my coffee. After having breakfast from 9 a.m. till 10 a.m., it told me to check emails, also reply to some social media messages. Apart from editing, filming, and all those things, the major thing is replying to emails, talking to brands, closing deals, stuff like that. Those are also part of this, and sometimes it's really fun, sometimes it's not that fun, but yeah, we do get and have a lot of admin tasks, and it's not fancy all the time. It's sometimes bizarre, chaotic. If you're working with a brand, like, there is dark side for it. You have to edit the video into their liking. If that means to edit like 100 times, we have to do it 100 times until they're satisfied. We won't be able to upload the video. Sometimes the video gets delayed due to this. There are so many things behind this content creation, like, nobody talks about, but the only thing that keeps every creator keep going is their audience, because the comments and the beautiful words said by you guys are the main motivation of every creators. So from 10 a.m. till 12, it told to start shooting and film content for the socials. So here I am setting up to click a picture for Instagram. In this video we are mainly focusing on Instagram along with YouTube, both things together. So if you want to check out my Instagram, I will provide the link in the description box. You can go check it out. Guys, quick update. So as per the AI, Notion AI, from 12 to 1 is my lunch break, and I had my lunch. I also did take a shower because it's literally so hot here. Oh my god, can't. So from 1 to 3 I have to edit video or photos or something like that. I really want to watch a movie or something, but I'm not in control for today, so I can't do that. And also from 10 to 12 I have not filmed a video, but I did take photos for the gram, okay, Instagram. So we have done that. So yeah, the next step is editing. So I do have to edit the photos. We'll do that, and then we have I also have to write a script, and there's like a brand content film. So we have a lot, guys. Actually, I love being a YouTuber, I mean a content creator, because it's actually so fun. Like, a lot of people say, that's what people say, it's so easy, you do that with ease, but actually it is so hard to manage everything and, you know, to do things. But I enjoy it a lot. Like, I love what I do, and the reason why I keep going is because of you guys, because the comments that I get for everything that I do, that's the reason why I'm still doing what I do. Because you guys, from the beginning, like when I started, the comments were so good, and that's what actually motivated me to post more videos on YouTube. Slowly, also, since I have a lot of time, I am going to slowly get started on Instagram as well. So that's what today we are doing. I have a lot of time in my hand right now, so I might as well as utilize it to the best. So that's what I'm doing. So whatever I have filmed, it's for Instagram. And yeah, finally not procrastinating on it, not procrastinating on creating content, because it's for you guys and I love and enjoy it. But yet sometimes I do procrastinate, but that's fine, that's totally fine. You know, it's part of life. And yeah, so the next thing that is to edit the videos and stuff like that. I would like to talk about physics wala, because the reason why is because I have while I was preparing for my 12th grade, I did watch their videos. I was really impressed by the work they do, and I thought like they have like so many offers and so many new batches launching. So I thought you might if I inform you guys, that might be helpful to you. The Physics Wala, they are celebrating their 3-year anniversary on 27th May, making that 27th May as the foundation day. And because of that, they are having mega offers and new launches of different courses. This special offer going on from 27th May till 1st June. We're preparing for CLAT exams. They are launching a new batch called the CLAT Achievers 2024, and they have the best faculties at affordable price. So I just want to let you guys know on that. Basically, the batch is starting from 5th June and it covers all the subjects for the CLAT exam. This batch is specifically for 12th graders and droppers. Recordings of the live classes will be available on their app. You can go check out their app. Saturday marathon classes will be conducted for one subject. Will be provided with daily practice problems. Now they have this wonderful offer going on. You will get the entire course for just 5,999 rupees, and if you use my code ST100 you will get 100 rupees off. So if you're someone who is preparing for CLAT exam, you can definitely go check it out. I'll provide the link in the description box down below. So yeah. So once I was done with clicking the pictures, it's time to edit the photos and post them on Instagram. So I was editing them, and once I was done with that, I posted it on Instagram. And right after that, I was actually replying to messages and talking to you guys, basically interacting with you guys. And I felt so good after that, because it's really nice to talk to you. And if you want to if you have any questions, you can definitely send me a message on Instagram and I'll make sure to reply. So I did everything as per the AI told me to, and everything happened like so quick. I couldn't really document it, but the structure was same and I did as per what it said. And at last it told me to unwind and relax. I did that by watching a movie. It was so rewarding, honestly. So yeah, that's it for the video. If you enjoyed, do let me know. So yeah, bye bye.